life coach and personal trainer. This is 6th video of the webinars week. In today's video, I am giving you one simple but really effective tool of how to stay on track. This tool is called Daily Questions. I found it from the book Triggers, written by Marshall Goldsmith and Mark Rader. This is the Estonian version of that. It's really excellent book if you want to build success habits or develop them. At first, I want to congratulate you. You are a success-minded person. Because you have found your way to listen to my webinars. And also, it means that you have some fields in your life where you want to see changes. Of course, we all do, but you have the courage to take responsibility and make actions in order to change something. And I also hope that you have mapped your goal and built a structured action plan. If not, please go ahead and take a look at my previous 5 videos. Now, is this situation familiar to you, that you have mapped your goal really clearly? You have built structured action plan, so this leader side of you has done excellent job, but the executive side of you, not so much. A day goes by and you find the tons of reasons of why to procrastinate. Another day goes by and new and another excuses. So what to do to discipline yourself? Well, here is one really effective tool. It might take only 5 minutes per day, but it works. Many of my students are using this and they bring results. So what is this daily questions about? Of course, you have to ask yourself questions every day. But what questions? As we have made it really clear, everything what happens in your life is in your hands. So if you want to see changes in somewhere, you have to start from you. See what is your role in there, what can you do? And find what are these habits that you can change in you. So think about it and write down all the habits you can improve in yourself in order to raise the life's quality. And secondly, rephrase the question so that you are using these words. Did I give my best today too? Let's take a really simple example, following a meal plan. If the question would be, did I follow my meal plan today? It's really simple to blame others, the environment, other people. I might say, no, I didn't, because my friend asked me out for a lunch and she wanted to have a pizza. But if we ask it in this way, did I give my best? It takes the look upon me and shows that I am the responsible one for my actions, which I actually do. So I might have suggested another restaurant with healthier food. Second rule, you have to evaluate your efforts on scale from 1 to 10. So the number you are answering is how much effort did you put in order to give your best. And rule number 3, find somebody else who could ask you those questions. This person has to be somebody who supports you, who understands that you find the best quality in life. If the person is somebody who starts to make a joke out of it, lose it. You don't need that person. Find somebody who is supportive. So why do you need somebody else to ask you? Because then every time, every evening, that person asks you those questions, at first, you have a higher consciousness to be a better throughout your day, to give better answers. Secondly, it starts a conversation, a dialogue, and you start to analyze what happened in each of those fields. And it's really important that you do it every evening, and if somebody else asks you, she or he asks you in a full sentence, so it starts to build the pattern in your subconsciousness. And quite soon you start to see positive changes because you find that in the early morning already, your mind starts to think about of what can I do today to serve best my daily questions. But this pattern won't be built without somebody else to ask you, because if you do it on your own, you start to give those numbers automatically and you don't pay attention so much on the full sentence. But this way you won't build a new pattern to your subconsciousness. So please definitely follow those 3 steps. It really works. You have nothing to lose. So at first, take an empty notebook for that. Find the person who could ask you those questions. Think about what are those habits you want to change. It might be at first maybe only 1 question or 10 or 20. But please be realistic. Don't put too many tasks for you every day. These questions might be just to change your habits on like eating habits, or they might be, did I give my best to inspire my followers, or did I give my best to be a good loving husband or wife, etc. So find the habits you want to change. It works in every field. I hope you enjoyed this video. We still have 1 more video from this webinars week. So see you tomorrow.